And it would be premature to say that we have perfected contracts with them, but I think it's sufficient to say that the things are beginning to open up. And although we cannot be assured right now of the supply, we can be sure that at least for 45 days we will be all right. Then, and now the next part of the challenge that we were facing was the supply and the pricing of petroleum products. Kaya't ang una naming tiniyak ang unang tanong ko sa Department of Energy, ano ba ang stock natin ng diesel, ng gasolina, ng kerosene, ng jet fuel? At ito ay binigay sa atin. Marami sa inyo ay nakita naman ninyo yung unang report kung ilan ang supply natin. At ang instruction ko sa kanila, huwag niyong titigilan. Maghanap kayo pa ng supply dahil hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal pa ito. At pag sasabihin natin, we are talking about 45 days on average, more or less. Pero hindi natin alam how long this will last, how long the supply is going to be diminished or from the Middle East to the Straits of Hormuz. So our authorities are all continuing to find new sources for the supply. First of all, what we tried to do was to ensure that the contracts that we already had would be honored. Halimbawa, may kontrata tayo na mag-import tayo ng ilang bariles ng langis, ng diesel, ng kung ano. Kung ito ba, ay tiyakin natin na patuloy na makakarating talaga ito sa Pilipinas. Nung unang ilang araw, lahat ng hindi kami masagot ng mga supplier natin ng oil and petroleum products dahil hindi rin nila alam kung ano yung nangyayari. At yun na nga, pati yung presyo hindi nila maibigay. Ngunit dahan-dahan sa patuloy na ating pagtatawag, sa patuloy sa ating pag-ugnay sa kanila at gumawa tayo ng mga bagong sistema para makarating ang langis dito, ay tuloy-tuloy naman, nasupplyan tayo. And we are not stopping. Although the average now is running at 45 days supply, siyempre iba-iba, but the average is 45 days. Hindi natin tinitigilan. And again, I credit the success of this ensuring the supply to the good relations that we have with our partner countries around the world. And we have not only gone to our oil suppliers, that are traditional oil suppliers, we have tried to explore other sources that are not affected by the war that is ongoing in the Middle East. And it would be premature to say that we have perfected contracts with them, but I think it's sufficient to say that the things are beginning to open up. And although we cannot be assured right now of the supply, we can be sure that at least for 45 days we will be all right. I think that we can be fairly confident. We can be confident that after the 45 days, we will still have already arrived here in the Philippines. We will have already a flow of oil, not just one delivery, not just two deliveries, but a flow of petroleum and petroleum-related products. Right now, because of the situation, lahat hinihingi natin. Humihingi tayo ng crude oil. We are asking for, we find if we can find it dahil meron naman tayong refinery. Andyan naman ang Petron that can refine it. Gasolina, diesel, siyempre ang pinaka-importante para dito sa Pilipinas. At ang jet fuel, kerosene at saka jet fuel para patuloy ang lipad ng mga eroplano. So we are continuing to do this. We will not stop. We will not stop this process so that we will ensure the supply of petroleum and petroleum products to the Philippines. And right now, I'm very confident in saying that we have sufficient supply. We will continue to source those supplies, and I do not think that there is a